Oh, hey, let me tell you, I've known Randy Faist now for some 30 years. And let me also tell you, they don't come much better than Randy Faist at betflagusa.com. Randy's U.S. Army Special Forces experience led to, among other things, becoming service disabled and seeing more than one friend killed in action. Now, military service doesn't get much more real than that, folks. Randy went forward from there, building a successful mechanical engineering career, and it was there that he learned techniques and streamlining processes that he now employs noticeably in his creating custom rustic American flags and other Randy's flags are, each one of them, custom created with securely glued slats of pine wood as the stripes and custom engraved and beveled stars within the Union. That's a huge difference right there. The stars on the Bet Flag USA flags are not painted on or printed as virtually all other offerings. Nope, not at Bet Flag USA, no shortcuts there. If I've learned anything or had something confirmed to me in talking with Randy recently, it is this. If you're going to do something, do it right or don't do it at all. Randy and I had a discussion on this very topic very recently and at some length just the other evening when we were discussing his website content and appearance. Let me tell you what Randy Faist is doing right now. Randy's out in a cornfield in northern Illinois helping a lifelong friend harvest his corn. That's the kind of guy Randy Faist is. And that's the kind of quality you can expect from Bet Flag USA. You get you on over to betflagusa.com, get the whole story, and get you a flag or two or three. They're incredibly impressive, well built, and they'll be the centerpiece of wherever you put them. betflagusa.com. See ya.